We need to wear this protective mask while we are mixing chlorina. So we need 640 grams of chlorina for disinfection, and then a 10-liter container and a funnel. So pour the powdered chlorina into the funnel. $640 of chlorine diluted in 10 liters of water. So it should be a filtered cold water. We are going to disinfect this heater cooler. It has a block of ice which will take about 30 to 75 minutes at 20 degrees centigrade to melt this ice. So we're going to start it now. So for that you need to go to setting and then go to clean. So now it says next cleaning is now and water change is now. So you have to do that is push cleaning button and then it says follow the instruction. So it has 42 steps to clean this process, including chlorination, which will take about 90 minutes, and then 3 rinse cycle and then fill it up. From the start to finish it will take 4 hours. So now we are going to start melting the ice. So it says it's going to take 30 to 75 minutes with 20 degrees centigrade. If you try to start bypassing any step, it will go back to step 1. Again you need to start from the scratch. The water is just recirculating between the tanks. We're using this Maquet Hcu point filter. This PAL filter can be used for 60 days. So now this tank is fully defrosted and we are going to empty the tank. So the tank is emptied now. We need to drain through the red taps at the bottom of the heater cooler. Clean the cleaning connector and the surfaces. We are going to clean the connectors with this wipes. Every time you need to clean this cleaning connector. So we're just filling the tank. Labeling has changed to green now. Mixing the diluted chlorine into the tank. So we just make sure it's all open now. So we need to top up the heater cooler. See, after it's dead, the volume has gone down. So we have to top up to the white mark. Yeah, so that's up to the white mark now. So we have filled tank. And then it's doing the additional de-airing. Need to drain approximately 200 via each red stopcock. That's about like total of about 400. It's draining now. And then we closed it. So now it just entered into the 90 minutes cleaning cycle. We'll come back after 90 minutes, empty the disinfect and then start rinsing the system with 3 cycles. So fill the filtered water up to the white line, that's the watermark, and we have drained the chlorine, filled up with the filter water, and we are going to rinse cycle 1 out of cycle 3. So this is rinsing cycle 1. So we just connected the loops, so now it will start rinsing. So now we are going to remove the cleaning connectors, empty the water. Every time you need to clean this cleaning connector. This is end of rinse cycle 1 out of 3, and then we need to drain the same way. So we just drain the excess water, and then we close the red tap, and then we are just filling up the tank again with the sterile water. This tank takes about 20 liters. So we're going to start rinsing cycle 2. So we just wait for the tank to fill up, and then we can start rinsing cycle 2. We're going to empty cycle 2 now. Just finished emptying rinse cycle 2, and then we need to drain through the red tap at the bottom. Just finished draining at the bottom. We closed it. Now we are filling the tank for the third cycle. The tank is filled up and ready for third and the final rinse cycle. The cycle is finished. We're going to empty now. It's the third and the final tank, and then we need to drain the remaining volume from the red tap at the bottom. So that's the third time we are doing it. We just finished draining through the red tap, and then now the rinsing cycle is completed. We need to fill up the tank with the sterile water up to the white level mark. The tank is fully clean now, and we're just filling up with the sterile water. So we just filled up to the white mark. Rinsing and filling is completed. So now it says when it's last cleaned, when the last water change is done, and when's the next due date for cleaning. And then so you can see the water is absolutely crystal clear. This will take about roughly 2 hours to form the ice. Once the ice is formed, then this machine is ready to use. So this heater cooler is clean now, and I've just plugged in for ice formation. So this is the ice after 2 hours. Now it's ready to use.